Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how do I hide all my uploaded photos from Facebook. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Facebook and click on settings and privacy and go to settings, and now click on profile and tagging, and here you will get this option who can see what others post on your profile. Click here and select only me, and here we can see another option who can see post that you are tagged in on your profile. Click the option and from here you have to select only me. So this was how we can hide all uploaded photos from Facebook. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.